Hey guys, Syed here with another video. In this video, we will learn how to perform a Vlookup on Excel app in a Mac. V in Vlookup stands for vertical. So in this example, assume that I own a computer shop and I have an inventory of products. The inventory which I currently have is small and I can easily find the required values. But think that the inventory is large and in such cases VLOOKUP makes things very easy. Suppose I need to know the price of RAM, so I will make use of VLOOKUP formula equal to VLOOKUP. Let's first try to understand what these values are. So lookup value is the value to look for in the first column of the table. So we are looking for the value of RAM. So this is the first column of the table. Table array, the table from which to retrieve a value. Column index, the column in the table from which to retrieve a value. So this is column 1, this is column 2 and this is column 3. Range lookup is true or false. True stands for approximate match and false is for exact match. In this example, let's try to implement this formula. So we need to know the value of RAM, comma, from this table, comma, and 1 2 3. So this will be our column index and we will go with exact match and close the bracket, press enter. So the value of RAM is $200. So suppose I need to know the value of keyboard, so I will just type in keyboard and press enter. So now it shows me the value of keyboard. Suppose I don't want to type the product and instead want a drop down with all the values. So in this case, I will make use of data validation. So for that, click on data and click on data validation. So from here I will choose list as an option and the source here would be monitor, from this one to this one. So this is our source and click on OK. So now I don't need to type the product manually. I can just make use of drop down and select product from here. Suppose I need to know the price of motherboard. I click on motherboard and it shows me the. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope this was helpful.